In this video I will show you how the task board in Virola Corporate Messenger works. Virola task board is a Kanban board with a basic set of features. There are two ways to open Virola task board, from the Tools menu or by clicking a task board icon in the toolbar. Now I click this icon and open the task board. Tasks and issues appear as cards and are distributed by status. First goes the column with backlog issues. Normally, backlog contains tasks which support a larger strategic plan of product development, for example feature requests or user stories. Next goes a column with to-do tasks. These are the tasks which should be processed by employees. It is possible to drag tasks between columns to change their status. I will now drag one of the tasks from to-do to in progress column. In progress column shows the tasks which are being worked on. If you need an additional verification, then the task or issue should be assigned to verify status. You can change status by clicking on the status icon or by dragging the card to another column, as I have done with one of the tasks in to-do column. A task can be assigned to one or more employees simultaneously. When I select the task, you can see how I add a new assignee so that they can collaborate on it. When the task has been completed, its status is changed to done and the card with the task moves to done column. If a team decides not to do a task, it can be set as declined. Tasks with this status are moved to the declined column. Right from Virola task board I can manage tasks, change their status, priority, assignee, or view them in the chat room where they were created. Let's see how this works. There is a to-do task in marketing and design group. I want to check the conversation. To do this, I click on the issue title and Virola opens the chat room where the task was discussed and created. This task is quite urgent, thus I will change the priority to high to ensure the designer will start working on it as soon as possible. Let's now get back to the task board. With the help of filters, you can display only needed tasks in Virola task board. Let's see what kind of filters are available. The first filter allows showing tasks created in specific chat rooms, either private or group. I'll deselect private chat rooms, so that I can view the tasks assigned only from group chats. Next filter allows displaying tasks by status. If I want to display only feature requests, tasks or bugs, I can apply this filter in the type section. In the priority section I can select the priority for the tasks to filter. Reporter filter allows showing tasks reported by selected person or people. Assignee filter lets me select the person whom the task was assigned to. Besides applying filters, I can sort cards with issues by creation time, by creator, by assignee, by priority, or by issue type. In my task board all cards are sorted by creation time. You can also undock the task board and manage it in a separate window. This is how Virola task board works. Issues can be created from messages sent in chat or from scratch. It is shown in the video tutorial how to create tasks and convert messages into issues. Thanks for watching. To stay updated on our latest video tutorials, make sure you hit the subscribe button on our channel.